One of the downsides of traditional business health plans is that they don't provide employee benefits for seasonal or part-time workers. Yet seasonal and part-time workers make up a very large percentage of the Canadian workforce. Why should they be denied or excluded from employer-provided health and dental benefits that are part of the fabric of our culture? There is a way for companies to provide group benefits to these valuable employees. Benefits that provide 100% coverage for their health, dental, and wellness expenses. A benefit package that is not based on monthly premiums. It's called a private health services plan, also known as a health spending account. The plan is funded by the employer, which pays for expenses as they are submitted, so the employer only pays for what is used. Here's a good example of an employer utilizing a health spending plan to encourage seasonal workers to return year after year. The company had only 10 to 15% of their seasonal workers return annually, and because of training costs, they wanted to increase that number. They instituted a health spending plan that was in effect for 12 months of the year, but was only renewed when the employee returned for the active work period. Their retention rate rose to 60%. So instead of having to train 85% of new workers in their seasonal workforce each year, they now only have to train 40%. That's a significant drop in costs associated with hiring and training. Part-time workers are also an essential part of many companies. Health and dental benefits, even if prorated to their hours worked, can foster loyalty. Again, the issue of the cost of training new employees comes into play. A private health services plan is defined by the Income Tax Act, and Revenue Canada has approved an extensive list of eligible expenses. Employees love this plan because they fit the changing needs of their families. The expense is 100% deductible to the business. The corporation uses the receipt as a full deduction against income, and that reduces taxes payable. The employee receives the benefit tax-free. Health and dental coverage for employees improves morale, loyalty, and retention. For those industries and companies that rely on seasonal and part-time workers, it also improves their bottom line. There's a direct correlation between the two that just can't be overlooked.